Yeah, we got it.
The bag.
Hey! So cute, Wolfie. He's sampling the sugar. We are going to make lady fingers today. We've got 4 eggs separated. We've got 7/8 cup of flour. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we have, oh my goodness, how much sugar was that? I can't remember. Was it like a half a cup? Something like that. We've got sugar. I'll write the recipe down. Hi. Okay, we're gonna start our lady fingers. We've got a KitchenAid. I love it. I use it every day. It is very, very loved in our home. I've already added 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to add our egg whites. There we go. It's 4 egg whites in there, and we are going to beat them to stiff peak. So Wolfie lost interest. He has about a 3-minute attention span, and that's being generous. So my little Hazelnut, hey Hazelnut, say hi.
Hi.
She's decided to help me. So we have whipped the yolks with the remaining sugar, and it was a 2/3 cup of sugar. And I thought it was a half cup, but it's 2/3. And we whipped it until very pale.
Yeah.
Okay. And here we've sifted our flour and our baking powder. That's all nice and taken care of. And we are going to take half of our egg white mixture, our meringue, and we are going to mix it into the yolks with the flour and the baking powder. I fitted my KitchenAid with the paddle attachment, and I'm going to slowly incorporate the meringue into the yolk. A lot of people have opinions about this, that I'm deflating my meringue because I'm kind of feeding it at kind of a fast velocity, but I find that it works this way. So I'm going to start folding in my flour. So I've added my flour, and see, now it looks like a batter instead of a meringue. And now I'm going to add the rest of my meringue. So here's the rest of them. Wolfie. Hazel's upset because she wanted to lick the egg white, and I'm fine with that, but not in large amounts. So we're going to incorporate it. These are the finished lady fingers. Oh, and my second batch just beeped out of the oven. They took about 6 minutes to get there. And I made them to make tiramisu with the mascarpone cheese that we made that's sitting there draining. I'm really excited. I'll make it tomorrow.